Hi friends, I am Ranu Jain
And I am Divam Jain.
and today we are going to learn tables. We will learn it in the most practical and easiest way using blocks. So let's start with table of 2. So here we have Divam Jain who is going to help us learn the table of 2 using these blocks. So let's start. Yes Divam. So we will first see two ones are. So we are going to take two blocks here
and
make a group of two blocks. One group of two blocks. So if we see in this we have two blocks. So two ones are two. Now let's make one more group. We want two groups of two blocks. Keep it here, keep it here, keep it here. So here we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. So two twos are 4. That means two groups of two blocks will be equal to 4. So we can represent it like this. Two twos are 4. Now let's make another group
of two blocks.
First count them. Count them. So total how many blocks are there? Can you count now?
2, 1.
1,
1,
2,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. So 2 threes are
6.
6. Write down 6 on that.
Okay.
So here we have 2 threes are 6. What we have done is we have created 3 groups 1, 2 and 3. 3 groups of 2 blocks each. So here if we take only one group it is 2 ones are 2. If we take 2 groups it is 2 twos are 4. If we take 3 groups then it is 2 threes are 6. We have in all total 6 number of blocks. Let's see what is 2 fours are. Let's create one more group of 2 blocks.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So 2 fours are
8.
8. If we make 4 groups of 2 blocks then the answer is
8.
8. Total number of blocks are 8. So this is 2 fours are 8. Now let's make another group. The 5th group. Now again let's count. So since it is already 8 number of 8 blocks till here, let's count the next one 9 and
10.
10. So 2 fives are
10.
10. Write down 10 on this. So this is 2 fives are 10. Let's create another group. So now it is after 10 this is 11, 12 and total how many groups are there?
6.
6. So 2 6 are
So 2 6 are 8, 12.
12. Write down 12 here. Two 6 are 12. Now let's create the 7th group of 2 blocks. Put it here. So after 12 this is 13, this is 14. So 2 sevens are
14.
14. Write down 14. So this is 2 sevens are 14. Let's take the 8th group. Create the 8th group now.
Okay.
So here after 14 this is 15.
15, 16.
16. So this is total we have, total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 groups. So 2 8s are 16. Write down 16. Now 2 9s are, we need to create the 9th group. So here we have 2 blocks, one orange and one blue. Put it here. So here it is the 9th group, and these are 16 blocks till here. Now it is 17 and 18. So 2 9s are 18.
These are 18.
Write down 18.
Yes. 10.
18. So till now how many groups we have made? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 groups of 2 blocks each. So till this we have done 2 9s are 18. We will create one more group of 2 blocks. Here there are 2 blocks, 1 and 2. After 18 this is 19 and 20. So 2 10s are
20.
20. Write down 20.
Okay.
So this is 2 10s are 20. The simple meaning what we are doing here is we are creating groups of 2 blocks. So let's see now again. This is one group of 2 blocks. So 2 1s are 2. Then we have another group of 2 blocks. So this is 2 2s are 4. Then we have third group.
2 3s are 6.
Then we have fourth group. 2 4s are 8. Then 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18 and 2 10s are 20. So this is how the table of 2 works with the blocks. Now we will also learn how to create the table of 3. So we have Divam here with us, who is going to help us learn the table of 3 using these blocks. So we are learning table of 3. So Divam, how many blocks we are going to take?
3 blocks.
In one group. Okay, so here it is 3 blocks in one group. So this is 3 1s are
3.
3. Can you write down 3 on that?
Okay.
Okay, so now what is next we are going to do? How many blocks again we are going to take?
3 blocks.
3 blocks. So we are going to create the another group of 3 blocks. Can you count now how many of them are there in total?
1 2 3 4 5 6.
6. So we have total 6 blocks. Okay, so 3 2s are
6.
6. Write down 6.
Okay.
Okay, now next another group again we will create of 3 blocks.
Okay.
So again let's count total. So we here till here we have total 6 blocks. Now let's count after that.
7 8 9.
9. So 3 3s are
9.
9. Okay. Okay, Divam, can you do next now and tell us what will be 3 4s are?
Yes.
What you are doing?
I am making one more group of 3 blocks.
Okay. Can you count for us?
Yes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12.
So 3 4s are
12.
12. What we have done? We have created total 4 groups of 3 blocks each. So this is 3 4s are 12. Okay.
Now I am making one more group of 3 blocks.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
So this is 3 5s are
15.
15. Okay. Can you move them forward? So these are clearly visible. Okay. What next?
I am making one more group of 3 blocks.
Okay. So we are already having how many groups?
6 groups.
Now we are having total
6 groups.
6 groups, and till this it is already 15 blocks. So we can count after that.
16, 17, 18.
18. So 3 6 are
18.
18. Okay. Okay. What next?
I am making one more group of 3 blocks.
Which number of group is this now?
7.
7th. We already have total 6 groups created. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So now we will create the 7th group and find out 3 7s.
3 7.
3 7s are. So count them till here it is 18.
19, 20, 21.
Very good. So 3 7s are
21.
okay. Okay. Similarly, let's find out 3 8s are
3 8s are 3.
So another group of 3 blocks. Count them after
This is a
21.
21.
So
22, 23, 24.
okay. So 3 8s are
24.
24. So now we are having total how many groups? Count
8 groups.
8. Just count them once for us. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. So 3 8s are 24.
24.
Now we will find out 3 9s are.
3 9 are.
So we are creating again one more group of 3 blocks because this is the table of 3. Okay. Can you count for us?
Yes, this is 24, 20, 25, 26, 27.
Okay. So 3 9s are
27.
okay. Cool. So this is 3 9s are 27. And now we will create one more group. So Divam, let's do it fast.
Yes.
So again we are having total 3 blocks here. Can you count, Divam? So this is 3 9s are 27. After 27 it is
28, 29 and 30.
30. So can you write down?
Yes, I can. 39.
So this is 30. So here we have now the table of 3. If you can see, if we take one group of 3, it is 3 ones are 3. If we take two groups of 3, then it is total 6. If we take 3 groups of 3, it is 9. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. Similarly, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, and 3 tens are 30. Devam, can you please make this 3 little clear? It looks like 2.
Okay. Can make
Yes, thank you. So this is 3 tens are 30. Similarly, we can create the table of 4, 5 and so on. So thank you so much, Devam.
welcome. Thank you.